my channel, Inspired Birdie. So like the title says, today we're going to do a Dollarama haul. So that's the Canadian dollar store for anyone who isn't aware. And items can range anywhere from like 82 cents right up to $4. But they definitely have some items that you're just not going to see at Dollar Tree. So let's jump into it. I'm going to save any Halloween decor items that I got for the very end. And I'm just going to jump into all of these items here. So first off, starting off with some gloves. So these are the True North brand. They're $2.50, and these are the touchscreen gloves. So these are the gloves that you wear that make it easy to tap your phone, scroll, and type. And this is what they look like. These are just the black. I got a lot of kids items. So they had like for winter, they had a bunch of items just come in. So as you can see, these are Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol is really popular right now at the Dollarama, and these are the Nickelodeon brand. So they're ranging around the $4 mark, but definitely worth it. So I love to come home and Google search these items after to see what the selling value is at other stores. And these winter hats in Canadian were ranging between $16 and $20. So it's just a toque. Other side, it looks like that with a little pom-pom on the top, and it was $4. I also got the matching neck warmer, super cute. It was also $4. It's just tied in the middle right there. It's why it looks like that, but super cute. And in my last haul, I had also gotten the Paw Patrol gloves that they had. And then I also found this hat. I thought this was super cute. They're starting to put out all their winter hats. It's an owl. Look how cute this is. For any kids that like the fun like ears and pictures and pom-poms, the Dollarama is a great place for that. Last year I got the puppy. My daughter absolutely loves it. And this was also $4. And these are pretty big. So my kid was wearing these when she was 2. She's now 3. But these would fit 4, 5, 6, 7-year-olds. It all depends on your head size, but this would even fit me. But I've got a small head. So those were some of the winter items that I picked up. And then they also had this in one of their aisles. So I grabbed it. It's a mask, but it's for kids. And I really liked the rainbow pattern that it had. So I picked up that just to have. As well. And then I grabbed myself one. So they had this cute Halloween mask. So this is, I mean, it looks like a teenager on it, but I'm pretty confident it will fit me because I have a small face. But these are their washable masks. And I got this Halloween one. I mean, why not, wear something fun if we've got to wear them anyways. So I thought that was a lot of fun. They had a few different variations to choose from. And then in their Halloween section, they also had these really cute t-shirts. So I got this for my daughter. I don't think it'll fit her this year. You can see it says trick or treat, but it'll likely fit her maybe next year or even the year after. But I thought it was a great deal. It was $3.50. It's a small. They had many sizes. So they did also have like sizes for teenagers and even adults. But I just thought that was really cute. And then they had all black as well with, I think it was a ghost on it. Yeah. So here's a really cool find of the week. You guys always know I'm sharing like different finds. So my last one, it was Paw Patrol puppies, which was an amazing value. Those are all gone now. Sorry for the glare. But this week I found this Ugly Dolls game, and this game actually retails for $25 on Amazon, and that's like standard pricing. It's not somebody trying to rip you off on Amazon. For this game, you can see it comes with all these little game pieces, and I got this for $4. It was the only one that they had. I mention this all the time. They always get like these one-off items. I don't know how they do it, but that's why you always got to be looking. But yeah, it comes with all these little figurines and just a board game. Looked like a lot of fun, so I grabbed that as well. And then nothing special, but I needed some aluminum foil, so I grabbed this really large pack. It was $3. It's pretty heavy. There's a lot going on in there, so I picked up the extra large one. And yeah, moving along to some super random items. I needed some new hand wash for my bathroom, and I loved this container. I love that like bronzy brown, and the label Absolutely love that light blue label. So I thought this would be a really pretty soap to reuse. So I really actually got it for the bottle. I needed soap, but I like the fact that this is a bottle that I will reuse. So I picked that up, and I believe it was $3. Yeah, it was $3, and it's coconut. Picked up some, I was really looking for SOS pads and I couldn't find them, so I picked up just these sponge pads, $1.25. I don't know if you guys have ever tried Poo Be Gone. This stuff smells amazing. Smells so good. If you're ever worried about any kind of smell you're trying to get away, get rid of, sorry, the minute you spray this, it's almost like I don't know, it's like a baking soda. It just kind of absorbs the smell and leaves this really, really super nice smell behind. So I highly recommend these. They have lemon as well. And then in the checkout, they had some Purell. So you guys know how hard it is to find things like this these days. So I just picked up this mini bottle of Purell. All right, so here are my last few items. These are the Halloween items or fall items that I picked up while I was there. So first is this Beware Go Back sign. They did have this in, many different colors, but I went with this one. I just liked how neutral it was. $1.25, so very comparable to what you would pay at the Dollar Tree. And then I saw this vase. I thought this vase was absolutely beautiful. Has the Halloween cat on the front. It says trick or treat. It has a little bit of scuffed upness because it's not meant to be like all perfect. And it was $2.50. It's a pretty big bottle, so I thought it would be really pretty to just put some flowers or like maybe some white flowers or some black roses. This pumpkin was a one-off. It was the only one that I even saw. It was $2, and I've been there quite often. And they always have like one item and the rest are gone. I don't know if it's like they put them out and they're gone the next day or what, but super pretty. Loving that aqua blue color. Definitely my type of fall colors. Absolutely love it. And it's made of like a hard, I don't know if it's ceramic or metal, very hard material. And then I thought this was really cute. This pumpkin here, it does light up, as you can see on the inside. Has the little light up on the bottom. So I thought that would be a really cute lantern. Just checking to see how much it was here. It was $3.50. Super cute. And then I also saw this boo sign. I love this. I thought this was really, really pretty. It would be perfect for decor. Just a boo sign. I love the colors. $2.50. They had a few different options to choose from, but I really liked this one. And then last week in my last haul, I hauled one of these and I actually said, I wish I got a second one. So today I went and picked up the second one. They only had 2 left, so I'm glad that I got it. I just love these pumpkins. I think they're perfect for Halloween. They're only $2.50 and they're a pretty large size. I don't know if the camera does it justice, but they're pretty big. And that is it from this Dollarama haul. My real goal was actually to get out to the Dollar Tree, and it just didn't work out, so I ended up at Dollarama, but I'm glad I did because I got a lot of really great finds. I am hoping my next haul is going to be a Dollar Tree because I haven't been in a while, and I'm really anxious to see what they have for Halloween. So thanks for dropping by, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and thank you for dropping by. Love and peace to you all. Bye.